Message to humanity. Greetings, brothers and sisters of Earth. We, from the Ashtar Command, greet you. For a long time, we have been preparing humanity on Earth for the first contact. Before this happens, we require a primary plan of dissemination regarding our presence. This is a grand plan for total expansion. In many of our meetings with diplomatic representatives on Earth, it was determined that we must first modulate the frequency from low orbit and prepare the vital energy network so that Earth can receive even larger ships approaching the planet. All of this involves magnetic adjustments to Earth to avoid affecting planetary biology due to the intense vibrations of our ships. We, along with our allies on Earth, have implanted a virus in their information systems. If they attempt to hide information, deceive, or retaliate against surface individuals, this virus will activate, and we will publicly disclose all the information they have concealed about us. We will reveal our collaboration throughout Earth's history, how humanity has been systematically manipulated, the genetic experiments in which you have been used as test subjects. We have already given a specific deadline to the corrupt government representatives. If they do not step down from power and continue creating delays with false scenarios, we will activate this plan of action. At this moment, this is all we can disclose about the plan. We will not announce the date for security and protection purposes. What is about to be revealed, we will also expose everything hidden in the world's most secret libraries, including the Vatican's archives and its rituals. We are proceeding with extreme caution, as many of our allies are in immediate danger due to those who do not want humanity to advance. Love is the fastest and most effective path to liberation, without harm or unnecessary disturbances. We urge you to use discernment when processing information. Many false narratives have been crafted to manipulate your perception. This is how the elites have continued to control and suppress humanity, spreading misinformation to keep you in ignorance. The plan is progressing as expected. World leaders will be increasingly pressured by our fleets of ships in your skies and will be forced to acknowledge our presence. Otherwise, we will take more decisive measures, including the official announcement of our presence, the release of Earth's true history. As commander, I will communicate through all information channels worldwide. Global restructuring in 2020. A complete restructuring of society is imminent, including financial systems, scientific institutions, religious structures, political organizations, medical systems, educational frameworks. These will be the foundation upon which we will build. The fundamental pillars of Earth's new programming will be ethics, diplomacy, truth, love, brotherhood. Those who refuse to adapt to this transformation will, as you already know, be relocated to other environments. The first official landing. We expect our first official landing to take place at the United Nations, UN. We will bring crucial information that must be heard and implemented before Earth initiates the physical shifts necessary for its full healing. The time for transformation is now. This is an official message from the Ashtar Command. We are the voice of change, speaking these truths. The time for transformation is urgent, and a call is echoing throughout the solar system and beyond. The cosmos calls everyone to unity, and our presence is a sign that the Supreme Creator is about to infuse the mantra of liberation from darkness. With infinite love, we are the Ashtar Command. A personal message. May you have a blessed start to the week, and please use discernment. If something does not resonate with you, let it flow into the universe. Open your mind and your heart, and prepare for this first encounter with these beings of light on Earth. A significant celestial event approaches on Friday, February 28th. We conclude this month with a major planetary alignment. Planets aligning in the solar system will include Saturn, Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, and Mars, visible to the naked eye. Uranus and Neptune, which will require a telescope or strong binoculars to observe. Let us embrace this blessed day in perfect inner peace, expressing gratitude for everything the universe provides in the eternal present. This is your call to awaken. The world is changing, and you must decide whether to be part of the transformation or remain in the illusion of the past. This is your moment to rise, to open your consciousness, to reclaim your divine sovereignty. Are you ready to step into your power? Join the awakening. The future is in your hands. The time is now. With love and light, I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light in service to Gaia. Voice by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you deeply. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your eternal source of light and love. We are your guiding beacon on this journey. Thank you, thank you, thank you.